Greetings, fellow vendors. Today we are collecting from two of my machines I have at a mobile home park. We don't forget to tune in tonight for the Cube Factory claw machine giveaway on the Howard Hospitality Group's live stream. Link to the Discord is down and below. If you like the vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone. Greetings, fellow vendors. In today's video, we are going to be collecting from my two machines I have at a mobile home park. Let's go ahead and get it restocked. Hope everyone's having a good week. Excited for the live stream tonight to see who wins the Cube Factory claw machine. I will be there with everyone else. First, we're going to get the Coke loaded up. Then we're going to get the Sprite. If you guys are interested in more vending information, check out the Discord, as well as my other friends' channels. You got Galaxy Games 843, Xtreme Vending, the Howard Hospitality Group, MrAnimeFrank, and Quik Play. And can't forget the Howard Hospitality Group. Sprite's all reloaded. I have enough to make it through the rest of the next week for that one. On to the collection. Quarters first. It is starting to slow down, so it does happen. Especially when people go back to school and they're not spending much time outside. Here's the lucky quarter in the bucket. $46.25 for the week. $12.15 of that was in credit cards. And we're going to go ahead and head on over to my other machine. This one just got its card reader. Having some issues with it, but I will be working on that. Here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Having some issues. This is the reality of the business. You will hit slow times or slow seasons. It happens. We'll get this one restocked. This machine I've had for over 8 years now. It has been very reliable. That's all restocked. I will go ahead and get on to the collection. Nice amount of change there. Gotta find the green quarter I keep in this one. There we go. Drop it back in the bucket. We'll see how much it did in cash. She did $41.25 for the week. Cannot complain. For more vending related content, everyone, like and subscribe. See everyone on the live stream tonight. Have a great day.